You gotta start. Hi, everybody! This is a... Seriously? The hand? Oh, hey, look at my arm! Look, you see my tattoo? You see my tattoo? And my hand? And my hand? Great! God! Seriously? Seriously? So mad! How many times? How many times? Whoa! Jeez! Jeez! God! Try it, do it, you do it, bud. Do it up.
Here I come, just coming up from the elevator, and they're about to. I forgot to grab Huey Lewis. It's just a hand. It's just a fucking hand. This is seriously like the 17th take, and I forgot to grab the one thing that I need. I don't need the hand. I'm not hand job boy. I'm not hand job boy. I hate it. No. It's a hand! A fucking hand! It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna do real. I got it. I got it.
Oh! Hey!
Get out of my shot. Here we go. I can do it. I'm just gonna fucking hand!
Yep! Alright!
There's me too, is my hand. I'm back! I'm back! I'm back! We're never gonna make it!
Never! Look at me! I'm flying! I'm an airplane!
How crazy is this? I'm upside down now. Held in my hand.
Hey, look!
You ever see a hand do this? Hey.
Hey, look, I'm a proper gentleman! I sit like a proper gentleman!
If sitting upside down was proper, I'd be the properest gentleman. Hey, I'm sideways now. Whoa, where? Wow, he doesn't even know how to hold me right. He hold me by the eye. I spot something hurting my eye. I spot something hurting my eye. I spot something.
I can't talk, 'cause I have stuff around my neck. It holds me by the neck. Bleh, bleh.
If I had a kid, I'd name her Iris. As in the iris is getting poked.
I'd name it Choke!
Probably actually going to have a decent take here, so I apologize in advance. I went to the gas station, and I go in because I didn't have my credit card on me, and I said, give me a 10 on 9, and he did the transaction, went outside, and I realized I was at 8. I'm like, oh god. So I went back inside and said, yep, it was actually at 8. He said, I noticed that. You're good to go. He was very observant, but wasn't that busy, so. Well, I'm happy that I followed that.
was that?
Is that fucking comedy? Seriously, that is the dumbest thing I've ever heard. He is awful.
That's not a joke. That's just an experience that should never be told.
That's like something that would happen to me like on a normal day that's not even fucking worth mentioning ever.
Like, that'd be like me saying, hey, I woke up with a boner and I took a whiz and I kind of peed on the floor.
And that'd be
I don't tell people that. Jeez.
That'd be me. Yeah, that'd be like me saying, hey, I woke up at your house and you woke up with a boner, and then I disguised myself as a floor. That's never happened. Is the Rainy Days Outtakes. Rainy Days Outtakes?
Part 1!
Part 1!